Have you ever wondered why Bitcoin, a mere digital asset, is worth thousands of dollars? Welcome to the fascinating world of Bitcoin, a phenomenon that has taken the financial world by storm. Let's start from the basics. Bitcoin is a digital currency, a form of electronic cash that operates independently, free from the control of any government or financial institution. It's like having your private bank in your pocket. But what makes Bitcoin so unique, you ask? The answer lies in its underlying technology, the blockchain. Picture a digital ledger that records every transaction made with Bitcoin. This ledger isn't stored in one central place, but is distributed across thousands, if not millions of computers worldwide, interconnected in a sprawling network. This decentralization is the heart and soul of Bitcoin, making it resistant to any form of control or manipulation. It's like a digital fortress, resilient and secure. Each transaction made with Bitcoin is transparent and tamper-proof, thanks to the intricate cryptographic puzzles solved by powerful computers, or as we call them, miners. Now you might be thinking, if it's just a bunch of ones and zeros, why does Bitcoin carry such a hefty price tag? The value of Bitcoin isn't in the bits and bytes, but in the trust of its users and the potential of its technology. It's a revolution, a new way of thinking about money and transactions. Bitcoin is limited in supply, with only 21 million units ever to be created, making it a digital equivalent of gold. This scarcity, coupled with its innovative technology, creates a demand that drives its value. But the real magic of Bitcoin is its ability to evolve. It's not just a digital currency, it's a platform for future financial innovation and a potential game changer in the world of commerce. So, Bitcoin's value lies in its innovative technology and the trust of its users. But why has its price skyrocketed recently? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the Bitcoin phenomenon in our next segment. To understand Bitcoin's recent price increase, we need to dive into an event known as Bitcoin halving. Now let's demystify this. Bitcoin halving is a process designed into the very fabric of Bitcoin's code, a sort of heartbeat that keeps the system in check. It happens approximately every 4 years, or more specifically, every 210,000 blocks of transactions. So what does this halving actually do? Well, it's all about supply and demand. Bitcoin miners are rewarded with new Bitcoins for their work in verifying and adding transactions to the blockchain. But every 4 years, this reward is halved. This means fewer new Bitcoins are created, making them more scarce. Now imagine you're at an auction. There's a rare item up for grabs, and the more people want it, the higher the price goes. That's basic economics. It's the same with Bitcoin. As the supply decreases and demand stays the same or increases, the price naturally goes up. This is one of the main reasons why we've seen a surge in Bitcoin's value recently. But it's not just about scarcity. Bitcoin halving also plays a crucial role in maintaining the currency's deflationary nature. By limiting the total number of Bitcoins that can ever exist to 21 million, it creates a digital version of gold, if you like. A store of value that cannot be debased by just creating more of it. This combination of scarcity and a deflationary nature is part of what gives Bitcoin its value and has led to its recent price increases. But remember, while the halving can lead to price increases, it's not a guarantee. Other factors like market sentiment and global economic trends also play a significant role. With the reduced supply and increasing demand, the price of Bitcoin naturally goes up. But what does the future hold for Bitcoin? Well, that's a story for another scene. Big corporations are starting to see the potential of Bitcoin, and this is set to have a significant impact on its value. Imagine the world's largest companies, those that shape economies and influence markets, turning their attention towards Bitcoin. That's happening right now. Big names like Tesla and MicroStrategy have dipped their toes into the vast ocean of cryptocurrency, and the ripples they're creating are driving Bitcoin's price higher. Take Tesla, for example. The electric vehicle giant, led by the eccentric and visionary Elon Musk, purchased $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin in early 2024. This wasn't just an investment, it was a statement. Tesla was saying to the world, "We believe in Bitcoin, we're backing it, and we're not alone." Following closely in Tesla's trailblazing path is MicroStrategy, a leading business intelligence company. They've not only invested heavily in Bitcoin, but have also pledged to use it for transactions. This move is significant because it's not just about hoarding Bitcoin. It's about utilizing it, normalizing it, and integrating it into everyday business operations. This trend isn't confined to just Tesla and MicroStrategy. Numerous other corporations are also showing interest in Bitcoin. Some are investing as a hedge against inflation, others see it as a store of value, akin to digital gold. Regardless of their reasons, these investments by major corporations are pumping up the demand for Bitcoin, and as we all know, when demand increases, so does the price. But it's not just the investment aspect that's exciting. It's the potential for Bitcoin's use within these corporations. Imagine purchasing your next Tesla car with Bitcoin, or paying for your next Amazon order with digital currency. This might seem like a far-off dream, but it's closer than you think. Several companies are already working on integrating Bitcoin into their payment systems, which could revolutionize how we transact and do business. This shift towards Bitcoin by big corporations is a clear sign of its growing acceptance. It's no longer just a niche asset owned by a few tech-savvy individuals. It's becoming mainstream, and this widespread acceptance is likely to fuel further price growth. So, what does this mean for Bitcoin's future? Well, as more corporations embrace Bitcoin, whether as an investment, a hedge against inflation, or a new way to transact, its value is set to rise. This is the power of big corporations. Their influence can shape markets, drive trends, and create demand. And right now, their gaze is fixed firmly on Bitcoin. So whether you're a seasoned Bitcoin investor or just getting started, keep a close eye on these corporate giants. Their moves could provide valuable insight into where Bitcoin is heading next. As more corporations embrace Bitcoin, its value and price are likely to continue their upward trend. So, there you have it, the reasons behind Bitcoin's value and its recent price increase. We've delved into the fascinating world of this digital currency, unraveling its unique attributes that contribute to its worth. From its scarcity underpinned by the ingenious mechanism of Bitcoin halving, to its decentralized nature, Bitcoin has demonstrated why it's not just another currency, but a potential game changer. We've also touched on the growing interest from big corporations, a testament to Bitcoin's increasing legitimacy and potential for widespread adoption. As these corporations begin to embrace Bitcoin, we might just be witnessing the dawn of a new era in the financial world. But the story of Bitcoin is far from over. As we move further into the digital age, Bitcoin may continue to break barriers and redefine how we perceive value. Stay tuned to see where this fascinating journey takes us next.